Hi, I'm Barry with Bolt Rental. Let's see if we can get your hair and water level indicator up and running again. The first thing we're going to check is to make sure that the sensitivity knob is turned fully clockwise. The next thing we'll check is to make sure that the two thumb screws are fully snug. Next, we're going to press and hold the test button, and we should see the light on the panel light up, and we should hear an audible tone. Let's try that. If all of these checks worked, you can move right on to item number 5. Otherwise, let's continue. 4. We're going to use this spudger tool, and we're going to pry this little door over in the direction of the arrow until it makes a little click and unlocks. There we go, it's unlocked. Now I'm going to use the same spudger tool, which is included in the carrying bag, along with an extra 9-volt battery if you need it. Use the same spudger tool. We're going to just gently pry that door out. And you can take note of the orientation of that door as well, because we're going to have to put it back in a moment, and we don't want to get it turned upside down. So we'll pull that out. I'm going to make sure that the battery is actually installed in the holder the correct way. There is a plus and minus inside. Let's reinsert the battery. And we're going to give it a push until it clicks. And that way we know it's locked in position. Now what we're going to do is move on to the last item, number 5. Spin around the back here. We're going to use this probe, and we're going to short out the tip of the steel probe on this steel pin. And the body of the steel probe, we're going to short that across this little steel bolt head right here. If you did not see the LED light up, and you did not hear an audible tone, please call us at Bolt Rental for further assistance.